Hey, for those who don't know me, my name is Pavlo Golub, and I'm back from Pasadena from Scale 23X. Woohoo! 12 hours, California. Knows how and quality. Yeah, it's really sunny here. Okay, let's do it. It's about time. Get ready for the top. I've been to many conferences, and I thought that Scale is something like FOSDEM. I knew that the number of attendees is lower, but I thought like the vibe is the same. Well, it's not. It's really warm, not like weather, but it's warm like the vibe of the conference. No rush, coffee, small talks, smiles. I like it a lot. I met so many people there from open source world and of course from the Postgres world, PG United States. So I was wondering why Scale is so important for PG US. So that's why I asked several of my friends and Postgres community members so they can share the vision and their thoughts about the event. What's common and what's difference between Scale and FOSDEM?
Scale is so much better than Boston for so many reasons. It's in a huge facility. I never have to worry I can't get into a room, and huge number of restaurants that are fantastic.
And it's a great way for us to connect with other folks that are in open source communities. Lots of folks love Postgres. Lots of folks are learning about Postgres or learning more, getting more involved in the community.
This is Wong, and I'm Gabrielle. And we're here in sunny Pasadena, California at Scale 2030X. We're in Postgres booth.
People want to know more about Postgres and want to learn more after 6-day training and help them have a good time at the event here.
If you will ask me what one could get from the event like this, I think it's not about the information. Information could be obtained through internet. Moreover, all talks are recorded and then are available on YouTube. This is about bonding. This is about building connections between people. And this is like the most important part for me. That's why I do like to attend all the conferences and all the events where I can meet new people and to strengthen old connections. So please subscribe, like, whatever, how do you like. See you during the next trip. Take care.